Okay, Discount Divas and Dudes back with another video. I am absent in this video because I look a mess, y'all. Need to get my hair done, but still it's not stopping me from doing these deals. So don't think that. And I want to show y'all a deal I did at Smith's. It's with the Owl and the Persil. They are $8.99 this week. The original price for these items is normally $11.99, but y'all, we got Ibotta rebates um on these items. So let's start off with the all. It is currently $8.99. I got back $3.50 on Ibotta, making this just $5.49. Then the Persil liquid was $8.99. Got back $4 on Ibotta, making it $4.99. And it's for the active one that says active wear clean, because they do give you, well, we gonna get into that, but this specific one they give you $4 back. Then on the Persil pods, and it's the 42 count, and it's the see, it says original. They gave me $4 back on these as well, making them only $4.99. So the total for these three items was $26.97. I got back $11.50 on Ibotta, making these $15.47, or $5.15 each, y'all. Cannot beat that at all. So if you got a Smith's, Kroger's, one of their sister stores in the area, go check it out because the prices are hot this week. Now let's get into a second transaction I did like the next day. So let's get into that. Okay, y'all, here is the second transaction I did at Smith's. Okay, we're gonna start off with the Snuggle. It is on clearance at Smith's for $7.76. I got back $1.75 on Ibotta for this. Then the Persil, it's the, this one's the original one, and this is the Intense Fresh, totally different from the other one. See, like I said, here's the other one. See how it's the green and it got the people running. These are all three different scents. But for the active is $4 you can get back. But for these two, you can get back $3 for each one of these. So that's a total of $6, and the limit is two on there. So for two of them it'll be $17.98, and you get your $6 back on Ibotta. So the total for the two Persils and the Snuggle was $25.74, and I got back $7.75 on Ibotta. So the final cost for these was $17.99, making each one $5.99. So that's that with those transactions. And I picked up some more clearance items, and I wanted to show y'all those. And that's probably about it. The other deals is really don't, because some of the stuff I don't even have no more. So let me show y'all the rest of the Smith stuff that I had picked up. Okay, here are some more clearance items. I got these big things of Downy is $7.76. The Tide Clean Boost Original, and it is the 25.5 ounce, was $2. The Snuggle is the Blue Sparkle and the Morning Breeze, $2.39 each. We got the 70 count Snuggle dryer sheets, and they are this is a older looking package, but they have the new ones as well sitting right by each other. But these was $1.29, and I know on Ibotta they are giving back 75 cents for the dryer sheets. Then the Downy Mega Sheets 80 count, they are $3.52. So those are some items. Then let's see what else I picked up. They had this Cetaphil because they do have face and lotions and stuff. $2 and 49 cents, and it says this was $7.79. Then I had got this MCO Beauty or Mac. I don't know how they say it, y'all, but it's the MCO Beauty stuff. And this was I forgot how much it's rung up. I think it was two something dollars as well. It don't even have the sticker, but it's a gentle foaming cleanser. Then they got the men's Sasquatch lotions, and I went with this Aloha because it was $3.36, and it was $9.59, and they do have another Sasquatch lotion. I think it's the original one, but it's like five something dollars for this little bitty thing. So I went on and just grabbed up one for $3. Then got some of these Moonlight Breeze beads. They were $5.15. Let me get the last two items. Okay, these two items. These Unstoppable 6.9 ounce, and it's the Fusions. They were $3.74. And then the Cozy Comfy Vanilla 8.3 ounce was $2.25. And it's weird because look, these look like the same size, and this one says 6.9 and that says 8.3. Now, I know I'm not crazy. These two look like the same size or whatever. They look basically the same, except they got two different labels on them. Now they be going too far with ripping people off, and I'ma even get farther away. Still look like the same size. I mean, that's ridiculous, y'all. I just paid attention to that. Different ounces, but same size. That blows my mind, because like I said, some of these products I get, y'all, be half filled up and everything, and I bet people probably think I be using this stuff. See, look at this. All that much is gone from the top, and these are brand new, haven't even been used. And I know they can't run it over and fill it up, but they could at least fill it up to the top of the label or whatever. That's just ridiculous. How they be ripping people off when, and that's why I be trying to show y'all how to coupon, because stuff is going up, getting more expensive. And I mean, shoot, we need to learn how to navigate and get these items at a low cost so we can use our money for other things like bills, car payments, car insurance, kids, ourselves, and just life. But y'all, that is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I wish I would have had more for y'all to see. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications. And I did have one more item. I'm sorry. It was 307. It was 8, and it was some Curel lotion. And none of these items I had coupons for, but that's fine because they was on clearance. But yeah, y'all, I will see y'all in the next video. I am out, y'all. Peace.